Now let's see how you can solve the tangent inverse function. So it says we have to prove that the tangent inverse of 1 by 4 plus the tangent inverse of 1 by 5 is equal to the tangent inverse of 9 by 19. Let's prove this. So let's suppose that tangent inverse of 1 by 4 is equal to x, right? So tangent of x is equal to 1 by 4. Now again, similarly for tangent inverse 1 by 5, let's suppose that's equal to y. So tangent of y is equal to 1 by 5. Now, we know this trigonometric identity that tangent of x plus y is equal to tangent of x plus tangent of y over 1 minus tangent x tangent y, right? So, we already know that tangent of x is equal to 1 by 4 and tangent of y is equal to 1 by 5. Now, plug those values in to this equation. So, tangent of x plus y is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 over 1 minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 5. So this turns out to be equal to 9 by 19. So x plus y is equal to tangent inverse of 9 by 19, right? Because tangent of x plus y was equal to 9 by 19, so x plus y is equal to tangent inverse of 9 by 19. So tangent inverse of 1 by 4 plus tangent inverse of 1 by 5 is equal to tangent inverse of 9 by 19. A very simple proof that we have done.